tatalakayin natin ngayon ay Chapter 11 about the object-oriented approach. Ano nga bang objectives nito? Una, perform the Python inheritance and working with files. Pangalawa, apply the concept of Python generators, closure, and processing of files. Yan ang mga objective na kailangan nasa chapter. Unang lesson na tatalakayin natin ay inheritance. Ano nga ba ang inheritance? Inheritance is inheritance is a mechanism that allows a class to inherit properties and behavior from another class. The class that inherited from is called the parent or base class, and the class that inherits is called the child or derived class. Makita niyo dito sa example na to, sa module na to, ito ang pinapakita niyang example ng code in the editor. If you run the same code on your computer, you'll see something very similar to hexadecimal number. The substring starting with 0x will different as it just internal object identifier use the Python, and it's unlikely that it will appear the same when the same code is run different environment. As you can see, the printout here is not really useful, and something more specific or just prettier maybe be more preferable. Fortunately, Python offers just such a functions. When Python needs any class object to be represented as a string, putting an object as an argument in the print function invocation fits the condition. It tries to invoke a method named string from the object to use the string in returns. Default string method returns previous string ugly and not informative. You can change it defining your own method of the name. We just done it. Look at the code and editor. Yan ang example ng ginawa nila sa pag-define your own method on the name. The new string method makes a string consisting of the star and galaxy name. Nothing special, but the print result looks better, does not it? Kung titignan mabuti, hindi naman ganun ka-special yung paggawa nila ng code, pero mas detalyo naman ang paggawa nila ng code. Okay. The term inheritance is older than computer programming, and it's described the common practice of passing different goods from one person to another upon that person deaths. The term, when related to computer programming, has an entirely different meaning. Inheritance is a common practice in object programming of passing attributes and methods from the superclass defined existent to a newly created class and called subclass. In order, inheritance is a way of building a new class not from scratch, but using an already defined repertoire of traits. So, meron ditong example about sa key of concept. Ito ang mga about sa key of concept. Single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, method resolution order or MRO, and super function, and the last abstract base class or ABCSC. Yun po ang about sa inheritance. So, may example ako dito about sa inheritance, kung paano gumawa ng code.